Meet Tony Templer, who called the police for help while experiencing a drug reaction and a critical schizophrenic episode after missing his medication.
We're not gonna hurt you, bro.
Hey, relax, man. No. Get you some help, Tony. Relax, man. Just stay down.
Hey,
Tony.
Officers restrained Tony in handcuffs, deeming him a danger to himself. But one officer went further, pinning him down with a knee to his back for over 15 minutes.
I'm down. I'm down. Please don't do it. Please
you're all right.
do it.
Hey, you're okay. You're okay.
Don't hurt me.
Yeah, don't jump back. You got paramedic behind you.
Okay.
As they waited for medics, Tony was held down so long he stopped breathing, something the officers failed to notice.
Tony.
What?
Is he asleep?
He's asleep.
He's snoring, that's what it was.
Yeah, he's asleep.
Wow. Shit, if I was squirming that much, I'd be sleeping too.
The officers mistakenly thought Tony was asleep or faking it, a grave error that became their biggest career mistake.
Tony.
Tony, start to school. Wake up.
I don't want to go to school.
Five more minutes off. First day, you can't be late.
Tony.
You bought your new shoes for the first day of school. Come on.
Made breakfast, scrambled eggs, your favorite.
What, waffles? Rudy Tooty.
The officers initially found the situation amusing, but panic set in when they realized their mistake. Despite 10 minutes of chest compressions, the worst happened, confirming everyone's fears.
I don't want him to fall.
Is he knocked out or he ain't dead, is he?
Nah, he just moves.
Oh, okay.
I think I'll go freaking.
He didn't just die down there, did he?
I don't think he did.
Is he breathing? I hope I didn't kill him.
It's all this weed shit.
Light it.
I love all this since we became a weed.
Yeah.
We ain't friends.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's not breathing.
He's not breathing?
Nope.
Oh, shit.
Fire. Come on.
No, he ain't breathing, bro.
We all put on some gloves when he's chest compressions.
He ain't breathing.
So he was fighting and then just gave up.
Hey, I've got his mom on the phone, and she knows all this stuff.
He's dead.
He's what?
He's dead.
Well,
Protected by qualified immunity, the officers faced no charges.
No. Appreciate you.
Sorry. We tried.
they're going to go to work on hospital.
End of contact.
On June 26, 2020, Bodycam and CCTV footage captured a shocking encounter when Walmart employees called the police about 73-year-old Karen Gerner, who had dementia and sensory aphasia.
I don't think you want to play it this way. Ma'am, police, stop. You want to stop? Lights on, siren, stop. You just left Walmart. Do you need to be arrested right now? No. Okay. Let's stop. Come on.
Despite recovering the $13 merchandise, the officers' actions toward her afterward were unimaginable. She was thrown to the ground and rough-handled, but that's not even the worst part.
No, on the ground. Stay on the ground. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
Her shoulder was fractured, and the abuse was so harsh that even bystanders spoke out.
Stop.
I'm going home. I'm going home. I'm going
Quit.
home. Ow.
Are you finished?
She was arrested, but the abuse continued as officers seemed to take pleasure in mistreating the vulnerable woman. In the next case, an officer took amusement in the situation when Tulsa police responded to a 911 call about a woman locked in a store bathroom. Inside was 70-year-old LaDonna in the midst of a severe mental health crisis.
Who? You need who to come say it to you?
Her niece. She wants her niece, who's like in California.
And I don't see him much, but he's the next door neighbor. And so last night he was at home and he's going back on the road.
She won't even talk. No. So I tried. She won't come out. She won't open the door.
The officer tried to avoid conflict, knowing the woman was mentally unstable, but the female officer who arrived had other plans.
Okay, well, LaDonna, they want you to leave, so I'm gonna need you to come out, okay?
She is banned from the property.
The property owners want you to leave. They said that you're banned, so if you come out and leave,
What have I done?
because you won't come out of the bathroom, they want you to leave.
Because I have diarrhea and vomiting, is that a sin? Or breaking
She's
the
been here
law?
since 11.
I told you, if LH stands
For 4 hours.
They said you've been here for 4 hours.
on there too. Okay, on Facebook.
Oh yeah, it's unlocked. I can feel like the tension from her hand just holding it.
It literally just bars through.
Yeah, I literally, yeah.
Once she runs out of air freshener.
Yeah, when she runs out, once
If I get
burns,
sprayed in
once
the
burns.
eye, I'm gonna be pissed.
This is funny. I'm not laughing. Why are you?
Because I want you to leave, and I gave you the chance. You come out on your own, or you go to jail. You come. I don't know who Chris is, and I don't care who Chris is.
She's the manager. If she comes out of the
Is Chris the manager here?
LaDonna agreed to leave only if store manager Chrissy told her to, but since Chrissy wasn't there, they called her on the phone.
You come. I don't know who Chris is, and I don't care who Chris is.
She's the manager. If she comes out of the
Is Chris the manager here?
George 352 1097.
Is Chris the manager?
George 352.
No, Christy.
Yeah.
Christy, is she here?
No, she's not here. She's in Broken Arrow.
Can you like get her on the phone and have it like on speakerphone and say tell her to leave? She said she'll leave if she hears Christy. She apparently knows who the manager is, which that's shocking. Listen, Christy's on the phone.
Okay.
All right, Christy, go ahead and tell her.
You need to go ahead and leave the premises, and we're going to prohibit you from coming back.
Really? Oh my gosh, Chrissy. That's not Chrissy's voice. I know Chrissy's voice. Oh, this is bullshit all the way around.
They discovered LaDonna had an aerosol can and cigarette lighter, and the officer feared she might set the place on fire. They then took drastic action.
Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. Open the door and come out.
We're heading back to the property room.
Go ahead.
You can
1111 West
me.
17.
That would have convinced me.
I know, right? If someone would have told me 3, 2, 1, open the door, I would have came out. Okay, perfect. You ready?
Kick it.
I'm not kicking.
Long ass killer, you think you can get it with your long legs?
The big one.
Ready?
Yep.
This is not right. It's not right, sir. It's really not. My brain calls me.
Yep.
Why?
Sit down.
What did I do?
said sit down. Sit down.
I will. Okay.
040.
On March 2nd, 24, Benton County Sheriff's officers were sent to handle 3 dogs loitering and barking in the neighborhood. One caller reported the dogs surrounding his car and preventing him from leaving. With animal control unavailable, the police responded instead.
The only thing that we can do is really shoot them. Animal control can't come out here.
Yeah.
If they're being aggressive.
I think now they're trying to get back because there's 2 dogs. I think they're trying to get into there.
Yeah, we'll have to be really careful to shoot.
I'm sure there's somebody's with having all 3 of them, but
Yeah, let me make a phone call.
okay.
When the officers spotted the dogs, they were eager to kill them for sport, claiming aggression to justify their actions. However, a passerby contradicted their story, disrupting their plans.
We lost track of them. I'm not sure where they went to, but they've been here in this area, and then they were trying to get at those dogs down there.
Yeah, because there's 2 or 3 dogs down there, and
Yeah.
we have a couple of, but they're fenced.
Okay. Yeah, they're in this area running around. They came down to this property down here.
Yeah, they were on the canal bank earlier today. My wife saw them walking, and they weren't crazy aggressive, but she felt a little uncomfortable. She just walked back home. So they've been walking up. They could have been dumped.
But they're yours, though?
No.
Oh, on the phone you told me they were yours.
No, I have 2 dogs here. They're just golden retriever and a little Oh, they're uncollared.
Yeah.
So that usually tells me that they were probably dropped.
Okay.
Then how do you hook them up, right?
Yeah, we let animal control know, but they're not being aggressive anymore, and they went that way.
Well, they don't look crazy aggressive, though. You know?
Okay.
The officers tried contacting animal control again, but with no response over the weekend, they proceeded with their original plan.
22, are you calling animal control?
No, hoping you would.
Eli, do you want to give me the number?
County 22 dispatch. I'm gonna go put them out of their misery.
One dog, still alive and suffering, was put down by the officer to finish the task.
The first one was probably pretty quick. Man, they started barking and they were going. I'm like, holy smokes. Yeah, my body camera's on.
The officers killed 2 dogs while one escaped, finding amusement in their actions. They abandoned the bodies, expecting animal control to collect them on Monday. Shockingly, the officers faced no consequences, and the dog owner was called to court to classify the surviving dog as dangerous. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update.